this is going to be a video tutorial on how to delete your history in Mozilla Firefox using a mobile iOS device. I'll be using an iPhone SE for this tutorial. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. Okay, the first thing you'll need to do is tap on your Firefox app. Open that up. Then to delete your search history, what you need to do is tap on the 3-bar hamburger menu in the lower right hand corner. And then you'll go down to the bottom where it says Settings and tap on that. Now in Settings, you'll scroll down to where you see it says Data Management and tap on that. And then it gives you some options here. It has a bunch of toggles. You could clear your cat, clear your cookie, clear your browsing history, offline website data, tracking protection. You could toggle on. Those are all toggled on by default. You can also toggle on your downloaded files to delete them if you choose to do so. But then all you do is click Clear Private Data. Click on that, and then it will ask you. This action will clear all your private data, including your history, from your sync devices. Click OK. And that's it. That's how you clear your history in the Mozilla Firefox app. Thanks for watching.